Market jitters have eased and energy prices have stabilized as Russian natural gas supplies to Germany are anticipated to resume in the coming days. Uncertainty in the market increased after South Korea announced its decision to back the U.S. plan to impose a price cap on Russian oil. Although natural gas supplies to Europe may soon stabilize, it will hardly affect the energy market. A shortage risk are still strong. Therefore, any drop in crude prices will be transitory. In the medium term, prices are likely to keep on rising. Brent futures approached the high of 107.50 and came to a standstill. Should crude settle above the mark of $108 per barrel on the forward chart, the risk of a price bounce with a gradual recovery in the volume of short positions would decrease. Gold is in a flat ahead of the ECB Governing Council meeting, which is scheduled for tomorrow. Undoubtedly, the precious metal will fall in price after the announcement of a 0.25% rate hike. Meanwhile, the market will focus on statements made at the press conference following the meeting. And should the European regulator adopt an aggressive stance on a monetary policy, gold will plunge to $1,600 per troy ounce. However, if it takes a go slow and cautious approach, the asset will stay firm above $1,700 per troy ounce. Quotes are now trading sideways in the range between $1,700 and $1,725. The current trading strategy is to break out of the limits of the range. The Russian ruble is still on the rise, harming the country's economy. Neither the regulator nor the government has so far done anything to ease the previously introduced measures that contributed to the strengthening of the ruble. Even the forthcoming reduction in the benchmark rate from 9.5% to 9% by the Bank of Russia will hardly change anything. In the medium term, USD rupee is likely to be heading towards the mark of 50. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.